Teach you guys how to make money. This is a quick one. This is to show you that trading has started on Afriq Arbitrage system. What you are going to do right now is to register and fund your account so that you can be part of this beautiful innovation. You can start making money ASAP. Okay, let's go to this website so that I will show you what I mean that the trading has started already. So what you are going to do is to go to this Afriq Arbitrage system. Once you are here, can you see that it has started already? This is my dashboard. Trading has started. What you are going to do, rush now to the description in this video and start registration. After registration, you can then fund your account by clicking on this deposit. Once you click on this deposit, you click here. Okay, once you click on this deposit, you can then fund your account by clicking on wallet. Select this Tether TRC20. Pay the minimum of $22. Okay, the reason why you should pay the minimum of $22 is because of gas fee. Okay, so pay the minimum of $22. So once you click on this place, you select $22, then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, you leave it to load, then you select this, copy it and go and pay your $22 so that you can be part of this. It's very simple as that. So you can still come to this place and read about their white paper on all this. Okay, this website is very legit, that's why I'm recommending it to you. So what you're going to do right now, rush now, register, fund your account, and this booth here will start trading for you as it's doing for me right here. You can see that countdown has started already. Once it's 24 hours, I get my ROI, which is return of interest. So guys, this is legit update. This is legit update. Use the link in the description to register. Registration is very simple. Okay, or you watch some of my videos where I talk about this AAS. If you watch some of my video, you will understand everything about AAS. It's very simple innovation. This is practical way on how to make money, not the other way around. I show you the practical way. So guys, make sure you join us in Afriq Arbitrage system AAS, where we make real money. You can see my accounts here. You can see my accounts without even no referrals, no referral earning, and I'm earning this amount. What if I refer more people? Okay, because I say that I will test this before I will recommend it to any other person. So what is holding you? What is holding you? Let's make this money together. Let's make this money together. So guys, I will round it up here. If you want to make more money, join us on our Telegram, where we show you the practical way on how to make money. So that's that. It's simple and we move. Okay, so anywhere you are watching this video, make sure that you follow the steps. Follow the steps. This is countdown. This is countdown. This trading has started already. So you can watch everything on my other video, how to do everything, but it's very simple to do. Just follow the step by step. So see you at the top.